Something excited came in the mail today. Let's go and get it. You already know by the thumbnail, it's a GoPro Mission 1 Pro. This camera is insane. Let's open it. Let's go. Insane. I bought some balloons so we can pop them because this GoPro has insane slow motion capabilities. But first, let's unbox it. There we go, Mission 1 Pro. Oh. User manual, subscribe. We have some stickers as well. We have Type-C to Type-C, sun guard. We have the usual mounts that GoPro gives. This is one of the best things that GoPro did, is make a new battery. This one will last you 5 hours of filming. This is how it looks in the palm. And here's the big boy. Green. Ooh, looks like proper little cinema camera. Your camera must be updated before, so green is amazing. Like so. Grab your SD card and add that. Okay. I'm gonna set everything up and then we're gonna film something epic. The GoPro is ready. Let's fill up some balloons. My idea is to just pop them. This will be amazing. Hopefully this is not gonna pop now. Let's pop some balloons on a high-speed GoPro camera. And this is the footage straight from the camera at 4K 60 FPS. Tom from the future here. Unfortunately, it's not as good as I thought. Basically, as you can see in the video, the quality of the 960 frames per second is really bad. Unfortunately, it's not professional enough. If I'm correct, it's not even 1080p. Of course, 4K 240 is great. As you can see in this video, it's awesome. It's a bit of a bummer because I bought this specifically for this slow-mo feature, but is what it is. The GoPro is still good. If you want this footage to be somewhere usable, you need professional lighting. This super slow motion asks for a lot of light. Even in this shot, I used Godox light and a tube light. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.